So I'm just getting to my brother's house. Just dropped my son's car off. We're supposed to be headed to Missouri. I'm supposed to be here at 8 o'clock, I think, but it's probably more like 9 or something. It looks like he made it back. He had to go race. So I'm going to swap out some stuff in here, just so he ain't taking it long. Because I ain't never had a chance yet to take this stuff out that I took out of my car, because it was down by my son's mom's house. And so yeah, just gonna swap out some stuff real quick, see what's going on. At least he's back. Hopefully he's ready to roll. Maybe we'll get on the road here in about 15-20 minutes. This is like Thursday night. I just got done with that car. But at least we're staying busy. Anyway, he needs a little bit of a road trip. This man, my brother, he's always working, busy throughout the whole year, was raising, and he's a single father. He's a good man, good brother, and he's an awesome dad. So yeah, hopefully get him away for a couple days and stuff. So it'll be good, man. So we're headed out. Got him picked up.
You might, but
you probably don't get in those battles, right?
No, I just quit before I get there.
Right. Yeah. How's that sandwich?
You can go film yourself eating or something.
I don't get to do this every day, film you while you eat. So we stopped at Sheets and I guess got some fuel and got some food, got some din. Gonna head back on the highway, maybe. This dude starts the car so you can wake my ass up.
So you could drive.
So I was like sound asleep.
Yeah, right.
And I figured, well, oh, cool. He's getting enough initiative to get, behind the driver's seat and get going.
Well, it's just warming it up.
But right there's the steering wheel. There's the seat. There ain't nobody in it. He just started his car so I'd wake up so I'd get up. Yeah. And all of a sudden, he probably had already been in sight, maybe got some coffee. But no, all he did is turn the key on, and now he's sitting there hiding. He don't want to get up.
See, that's what
just like when we were kids.
That's what I was talking about last night.
Just like when we were kids.
People don't know, can't see. People can't see.
Well, Robbie, because there's nobody in the seat, they can't see anybody in the seat.
No. You don't. I was going to warm the car up, go get coffee, and then if you were still sleeping, I was going to jump in the seat and go drive.
Sure. Go back to sleep and see if there's any truth in that. And if you hit the pause button instead of the stop button from videoing,
does that make it shut up?
Well, no, the screen will stay on, so you don't have to reopen the screen all the time. If you just do a small video, because there's also like space and stuff.
All right, we're out on the road. We're doing changing oil out, quarter oil out, putting a different type of oil in it, and this is called
transmission fluid in to clean it.
This is called Hillbilly Workshop on the roadside.
You don't have to film the whole thing. You can stop it, save space once you set what you're doing. That's just kind of how it works. Oh, good point. This is the tricky part. Don't drop the nut, right? Or the plug.
That should be about a quart, shouldn't it?
Oh yeah. I was just going to use a bag. This is much better. Because I've used trash bags before. And then you can just put a small hole in it and put it back in the same container. Like when I change oil out on the road.
Right.
But this, we're not doing that much. Or we hope we're not. Pay attention, gentlemen. It's definitely hot. We got time,
Well, what did you expect?
It like all the way through the plug. I figured it'd be cool, but when that hot oil comes down, it's the end. It goes to the other end. Good point. What did I expect?
There's your lottery ticket.
Yeah, I seen that when I crawled under. Oh, check and see if there's any. So what we're doing, we're gonna put a quarter amp transmission fluid in it. This car's been sitting for a couple years. I haven't changed the oil yet in it. To clean up, transmission fluid has a lot of cleaner in it. I'm gonna dump a quart in it, run it for a while, and then dump the oil out. It's just to clean the engine up.
Works great on diesels.
Oh yeah.
You know, cleaning a diesel
And
engine
like
up.
older engines, I started using. Obviously, use Lucas too, but like when I changed the oil, put some in it. Which a lot of newer, better oils have a lot of cleaner in it. Got any of them napkins that you talked about saving? These old fingers don't work like they used to.
Put the smooth side down.
Here, you hold.
Got it?
Yeah. Okay.
Remember to clean up after yourself and leave the place for a better place for the next person in use.